Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove iCloud activation lock. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. I can already open the settings. After opening the settings, you can just simply now tap on your name, and here you can just simply scroll down. You will see the option Find My, tap on it, and now you can tap on Find My iPhone. If you have an owner, you can access this, and if you don't have an owner, you can just simply first find the original owner of this iPhone, and now you can just simply turn this on. And after finding the owner, and if you have an owner, you can just simply toggle off this option Find My iPhone by entering the Apple ID password, and this is the way you can remove iCloud activation lock. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.